Hi everyone, this is Shazid Rafiq. Welcome to my channel. In today's 5 Minutes Economics, we are going to discuss deflation and disinflation. Yes, deflation is basically the opposite of inflation, which shows a decrease in the prices. As you can see from the diagram as well, we have discussed it before that inflation is consistent rise in the prices, a rise in the prices of goods and services, whereas this deflation is basically an opposite of inflation, a negative inflation. When the inflation is in negative, this is said to be your deflation. Whereas the other aspect is disinflation. Now, disinflation is basically a decline in the inflation rate, not in the prices of goods and services, but a decline in the rate of inflation. So, when the rate of inflation starts to fall, so this is said to be your disinflation. We can also understand this concept with the data on the Pakistan inflationary history since 2017. As you can see from the diagram that from 2007 till 2008, your inflation rises. Your inflation rises. We can see here that your inflation starts to rise. And yes, inflation was at its peak in 2009. And after that, you can see that your inflation starts to fall. Your inflation starts to fall. So inflation starts to fall. Your inflation starts to fall, and it falls till 2016. So it was a downward trend. Now this is what we call disinflation. This is what we call disinflation. This is what we call disinflation. So disinflation is basically a decline in the rate of inflation over the period of time. And again, after that, you can see from the diagram again that since 2000, from 2016 till 2020, the inflation rate rises again. Now, this is said to be your inflation. Inflation. Pakistan is not experiencing disinflation in this time span.
If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you.